It's a new 2019 GMC Yukon. Kids, cargo, groups, gear. You can carry it all with this Yukon. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, V8 engine, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid filled shocks, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Of the Yukon, the Car Connection puts forth it has the power and capability to haul up to 9 passengers, their stuff, and the family boat. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.